Incredible speeds plus rock-solid reliability. Kingston's A400 solid-state drive dramatically improves the responsiveness of your existing system with incredible boot, loading and file transfer times compared to mechanical hard drives. Powered by a latest gen controller for read and write speeds up to 500 megabytes per second and 450 megabytes per second, this SSD is 10x faster than a traditional hard drive for higher performance, ultra-responsive multitasking and an overall faster system. Also more reliable and durable than a hard drive, A400 is built with flash memory. There are no moving parts, making it less likely to fail than a mechanical hard drive. It's also cooler and quieter, and its shock and vibration resistance makes it ideal for notebooks and other mobile computing devices. A400 is available in multiple capacities from 120 GB to 480 GB to give you all the space you need for applications, videos, photos and other important documents. You can also replace your hard drive or a smaller SSD with a drive big enough to hold all your files. Backwards compatibility to SATA Rev. 2.0.3 gigabit per second. Product contains drive only. Cloning software not included. The vibration operating of this product is 2.17 peak, 7 to 800 Hz, and the vibration non-operating of this product is 20 peak, 10 to 2000 Hz. Top reviews from the United States. This SSD has become my music production workhorse. This drive is fast. I use it as an external drive to host my music production files and run them directly off of the drive using a SATA to USB-C connection. The speeds are as advertised and the storage capacity fills to right near maximum theoretical capacity, which is hard to find in a lot of drives. I would not suggest this specific drive as a primary storage device for internal usage under most use cases. The drive is 256 GB, which is about what most people have on their phone. Game files, music files, photos, texts, phone backups, documents, and other clutter will fill this device to its capacity in no time. If you are looking for a primary internal drive, I highly suggest this brand, but seek the higher storage option variant.